first, I'm going to put on a little bit of turquoise eyeshadow because they did not skimp on makeup. I'm going to spread that out up into the inside, or I don't know what it's called, right there, that there. Also, in the 80s, eyebrows were a big thing, having thick eyebrows. So I'm going to get a little bit of brown eyeshadow, as you can see, brown, for my brows to fill them in and make them appear thicker than they are. You can see the difference there. Normally I don't do my brows, but I'll do them for like photo shoots or for headshots or for 80s look. See, they look a lot thicker. I have this turquoise eyeliner. Turquoise is always a great color. Turquoise and pink for 80s. So I'm gonna put it on top. I'm going to do some blush, a nice good rosy red blush. So you smile first, smile and put it on the apples of your cheeks. For 80s look, you want to do quite a bit of blush. So we're going to use mascara. Take your time with mascara. You can never put too much on if it's a good mascara. And let's do hair. Got a leave-in treatment for the hair. Shake it up. Put about a $50 sign in your hand. Work it through your fingers. And we're going to want to go for big hair. We're going to want to do some hairspray is a must for an 80s look. So scrunch it up and make it big. And for lips, I'm going to use this nice frosty look. And then I have these cute earrings. Hoop earrings are always in style, especially in the 80s. And this is definitely an 80s look. These earrings. That's my 80s look, and I'm so glad that you joined me, and I will see you another time. Never gonna let you down, never gonna roll around and desert you.